We've driven round to Torcross, which is the start of Slapton Sounds, and just down there the green stuff is how far we walked from the other direction. All cameras having real trouble focusing nowadays. Oh, that does look like a fire. A little bit much for just a barbecue. I might just go up there, take a picture. Right, we're looking down now. That's where we were yesterday, I think it was. Looking across the green, weedy rocks over to here. That's not a bad view, is it? Funny that it's called Slapton Sands because it's a pebble beach. And that's Slapton Lee or Lay, I'm not quite sure which way you pronounce it. Which is fresh water, I think. Oh, there we go, another view from a little bit further round the coastal path.
Does that go to that other beach then? That must go to that other beach.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, that's the bit we could see from the other way. Yeah, I don't think we need to go all the way down, but we'll just get a look at the view.
I'm not going down there. There is a road there. It's a bit far. Yeah, I'll wait here.
It's all right. We're not going. I'm not going any further. Oh, that doesn't look too bad. I'm not going to do it. Just want to get the view of where we got to the other day. Rather a nice seat to sit on there.
Yep.
I wonder whose garden that is.
That one.
You reckon, or do you think it's that one? Or is that just garages there?
So I did look.
Right, back down the way we came. I think I can just about see my car over in the car park, just past the end of the houses there. Right, back down here. That's Nanny down there, taking a picture of us up here.
Oh, well, you should see the one down there. On that other beach, because there's a pile of... No, it's just the other end of the beach. You know helicopters gone up, haven't you? There, Mum.
Good view of the spiders.
But could you stick a hook through there? Sitting here. With your flask of coffee, will you? Yeah. Across the road, nice.
So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.